Good day guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how to create your TikTok account as a business account. First you need to open TikTok and open your profile. Then you click on those three lines at the top right corner of your profile and you click settings and privacy and then go to accounts. There you will find switch to business account and you click that. Then a tab will open to tell you what you get as a business account. You can read the text if you like. Then you click next and you choose a category. This category will represent your account. You have to choose one category and then you click next. I will, for example, choose gaming. You can skip all these steps if you like, and if you like you can fill them up. And then it will tell you that you're all set up. Then you can start creating videos and content with your new business account. This is how you know you have a business account. You will have more options in the settings tab. Guys, see you soon. That's it.